So guys, this is my Claude code. In front of you, I am just typing slash model, right? And now pressing enter. And here you see this is the Minimax M3. Now I am selecting it and I am just writing hi and press enter. And another thing, if you are watching this video after June 17th, then don't comment below that it is not working. Why? Here you see this is the official notification from this token router that up to June 17 you will get this access. So if you are watching this video after June 17, don't comment that it is not working, bro. So that's why I always tell everyone, follow me on Twitter, join our WhatsApp channel, that link is given in description, and there you will get each and every update whenever it comes from any official. Then I always make the video and you guys watch the video when the offer actually get ended, and then you comment in the videos that it is not working anymore. So that's why I am just giving this information. Don't comment below that it is not working after June 17. So how to use this Minimax M3 model inside Claude Code or inside VS Code or anywhere you want to use this. Okay, and for that, what you need to do, you need to join the WhatsApp channel link that I have given description. Otherwise, you can follow me in Twitter. There I will share this link because on YouTube it is not allowed to share this kind of link. Let's start with the process. So first of all, this is the token router and this is same as the open router. On open router you will find this kind of models, and this is the new provider token router, and for the promotion they are giving this model free access. Okay, now I have given this base URL and the model ID in description, so you can copy from that. Otherwise you can copy it from the this Twitter post that I will give in description, and also you can copy it from the WhatsApp channel. Okay, and now let's start with the process, and make sure you install this jan.ai. Previously also I mentioned many times that if you want to use any model inside Claude Code, then jan is the best option. I am not promoting this Jan, but I have found this setup very helpful. I am using for a couple of months and I am very happy with this. So that's why I am recommending you jan.ai. You don't need to do that much setup. Just download it according to your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac. And after that, the installation procedure is very simple. And what you need to do that after installation, uh, come to this settings part on the left hand side, and you will find this kind of window. And on the left hand side, here you see under this integration, come to this Claude Code, and here you will find this large model, medium model, small model, Haiku, Sonnet, Opus. And what you can do, uh, use this any of the model, you can map to the Sonnet, Opus, or Haiku. Okay, and on the left hand side you will find this providers, right? Model provider. So you need to add a custom provider. For that, here you see that plus button, click on this, and here give any provider name. Okay, so I have already added this token router provider, and here you will find this base URL, and here this API KEY. And why I am saying like that KEY, most probably you know that on YouTube they don't prefer this kind of word. Okay, so that's why I am saying like this KEY. Okay, I think you guys are mature enough to understand that. So how you can get this KEY? For that you need to visit this URL. Okay, where is that URL? This is the URL, and I will give this URL link also in WhatsApp channel or this Twitter account. Okay, so this is my Twitter account. Please follow that. There you will find each and everything. Okay, and what you can do here, you will find this create key option. Click on that, and here give any name, and after that here select this never expire, new quantity, and after that unlimited quota currently, and click on the submit on the right hand side below. And after that you will find your and copy that. Okay, and what you can do, come to this jan.ai and put this base URL and put this KEY, and after that here you see that a refresh button. Just select this refresh button and you will find all of the latest model. And after that, come to this on the left hand side Claude code, and here you can map this Minimax M3 model to Sonnet or Opus or Haiku as your choice. I am currently mapping this Minimax M3 to the Sonnet. So just write here Minimax. So I have added actually Open Router and NVIDIA, Hugging Face, all of this provider, but I will select only this provider, which is the token router Minimax M3. Okay, I have selected that. Now click on the save and enable. Now you will find one confirmation that environment variable is got updated, and you need to open a new terminal. Okay, one confirmation. So what I will do, you can do this setup, and what thing is that if you are doing it for the VS Code, then you have already the always the you have already the base URL, and also you have already the KUI, and this is the model ID unit minimax hyphen m3. Same way you need to write. Let me open the VS Code also so that I can show you. Yes, I have already done the setup. Here you see minimax hyphen m3, and if I just write hi again, okay, I should get the response. Okay, 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 okay. This is pretty fast also. Here you see, I already got the response. And now what I will do that inside Claude, I have opened my existing code base. This is the full stack code base, front end and back end. And what I will do that I will run on command and I will test this capability. For that, I want to go to the ultra mode. Okay, so F4, and I want to move to the ultra code. Okay, and I have selected this ultra code, and here I will give the requirement. The requirement is this one: you are a lead security engineer and audit this entire repository for authentication bypass or anything. If there is any vulnerability, so please check that and please give me the full report. I'll copy this and paste the whole prompt here. Okay, and press enter. Now let's see what it is doing. So I am just auditing the whole repository with the help of Minimax M3, which is currently I am using as a free. So let's see. And here you see that it is searching for one pattern, running one shell command, and it will do many things in front of you. And here you see that it is reading the source files, analyzing the git diff versus main security audit. So it will do this work. Okay, and also it is writing the vulnerability report.md. So let's see what it is doing. Okay, so one task is done and it is marking that it is done. So this model is pretty fast, guys, and it is doing all of these things also. And let's see what it is doing. And here you see that it is doing all of its work. Some of the work got completed and waiting for one dynamic workflow to finish, and I can check the workflow status. So if I just write workflows slash workflows, and here you see all of these workflows. Currently it is doing this first workflow, then it will go to the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth workflow. So it will take some time, guys, and as this will take some time, so that's why I am just letting this Claude agent to do or to continue its work. And the same thing, you need to do the setup, and you need to use this Claude code or VS code wherever you want to use. Okay, and also I'm thinking to make another separate video for this dynamic workflow, how it actually works, because here you see Claude Code Ultra code feature use this slash workflows, the dynamic workflow. In parallel, they run all of this. And if you want that separate dedicated video, please comment below. I will make that. Okay. So it will take some time. I am just letting the Claude to continue its work. And if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also to get this type of content daily. And please make sure to watch this Claude Fable 5 full testing that I have done, and also this Open Code Plus North Mini Code setup. And there are a lot of videos that I have published. Please make sure to watch that. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.